Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this LaTeX related video, we discuss how to insert headers in a PhD thesis. Simultaneously, we are also going to show you how to write a beautiful PhD thesis. Before I forget, I would like to mention here that the text file used, rather two text files that will be used in this video, you can download them from the link given in the description of this video. So let us see what is the look of this particular file, this particular thesis. So this is the title page. This format can be used as a title page of a real PhD thesis by making necessary modifications. So then comes this page, dedication page, then certificate is written like this, then declaration, then acknowledgement, normally written in italics, and normally we even if it has two pages, but we don't give page numbers. Our first page number starts from this preface only. So here you can see this page number appearing here. Okay. Then comes page number 2. Then so these are Roman page numbers. So in small Roman letters, page number is written for preface. But interestingly, there is no header. So under normal circumstance, you don't get any header here. So sometimes it is difficult to see what is this. Is it a chapter or a preface or a what? What is that? So it is why header is often useful. So after that comes so this preface. Okay, after preface, then contents. Page number is still Roman letter only. So contents contains preface, list of figures, list of tables, nomenclature. Then these chapters are written like this. Okay, chapter sections are written like this. Then if it contains an appendix, you can write appendix like this. I have written two appendices here. Then bibliography, then index of notations, index of concepts, then brief biodata, and did I say okay, there is a nomenclature page also. Now list of figure is here. So I have put up some diagrams for illustration purpose. So and so that it contains two pages. I wanted to show the behavior of header if the list of figures runs into two pages. Then list of tables also runs into two pages. Then nomenclature is written like this, and it also runs into two pages. And whether nomenclature or list of figures, if you click any one of them, say for example, here you cannot click, you can click on this page number. Then wherever this particular object appears, that page number you can immediately go there. So this is using hyperref package. So after that, see in the entire thesis, the page numbers are written at the bottom, and there is no header. Okay, and then finally, if the thesis completes, then this okay here, then this appendix starts, then second appendix, then bibliography starts. After that, there is an index of notation which also runs into two pages, or rather made to run into two pages. Then index of concepts, then brief biodata also runs into few pages. Then finally front pages of publications. So whatever published paper you have, you can include their first page, image of the first page. Okay, like this. So let us now see what is the text file which generates this particular thesis. Okay, so let me close this PDF file. I minimize this. So here is the text file which has actually generated this particular PDF file. Okay, so here you can see the document class I have used report only. Preamble I have written in a separate file. That is why it is not mentioned here. I have included it here. So now if we want headings, then the first change that you have to make, see, normally certificate page, title page, they don't, the title page will not have any page number, no problem. And header also, we don't put headers, certificate, etc., dedication, there is no header or this thing. Acknowledgement, yes, some people puts in a header in the second, from the second page onwards, and some don't. So here in this thesis, I have started putting header from the preface. So that is why in the acknowledgement also I have not done any modification. There is no page number. This page style empty means it has no page number. Then preface starts. So here, if you want headers, then first of all you have to uncomment this. That means this line must be written page style headings. Now after that, since this is chapter star, this preface will not come in automatically in the heading. The word preface will not come because of this star. So what we have to do for heading, we have to use this command, mark right and then write preface, or we can use mark both. First curly bracket is vacant and the second curly bracket is preface, and you can understand right means the right one is preface. So either you write this command or you write this command. I have written both the options, okay, but one is good enough. And after that you don't have to do anything. Here chapter name and all this thing will come automatically in the header, and appendix also it will come automatically. Bibliography also will come automatically. Only thing is brief biodata. So for that you have to uncomment this percentage sign. So again mark right brief biodata, and page style, that page style written under preface is good enough. That will continue. This page style headings will continue throughout the thesis until and unless you change it. So we have not changed it. That is why here another page style heading is not necessary. This will automatically go to the this thing. And then front pages of publications, we don't put any page style header. So this on page number. So this page style empty. And here I have written page style empty. That means this published papers also here. For example, this last pages you see here also we don't put any header, because these are the images of first pages. Okay, so this header is not there. Therefore, it is just page style empty is good enough. Okay, so this thing. So let us now compile this one. Okay, so we'll compile it now. So you click here. So it will take some time. Yeah, here it is done. So now see, header has appeared here. So let me go to the first page, title page, of course no header. Then certificate page, no header. Declaration, acknowledgement, I have not given any header. Preface, first page of preface, page number is at the bottom, there will be no header. But from second page onwards, you see this header has appeared here. Okay, can you see it? So you can see the header appearing here. So this is that header. Okay, preface and then this page number. So if you now see other pages, okay, contents, let us see. Contents also you see this header is there. So let me remove this one. So contents also header page number is there. then contents, second page of the contents, third page rather, then list of figures, but second page of list of figure will have header, see, then list of tables, first page will not have any header, but the second page will have header, and then nomenclature, first page no header, second page header, then chapters, first page no header, and the subsequent pages will have header. So here you see whatever is the chapter name, it has appeared here. So chapter 1 preliminaries and page number 2. So if you go this way, then chapter 1, after that chapter 2 is title is quite long, so but entire title has come here, it has been disturbed, so that is why I'll show you how to get rid of all this thing. But what is important is that header has come along with chapter number, and the title of the chapter. So if your title of the chapter is too long, then you have to modify it. Okay. So I'll show you. So anyway, here, so this is one method of introducing headers. So in the entire thing, you will see bibliography also automatically header has come, and throughout the thesis header has come, biodata also header has come, and these pages, let us see, index of concepts, yes, index of notation also, second page header is there, and bibliography and all this thing, and what about this one, appendix also, you see title of the page, so appendix also header has come like this. Okay, so this is one thing. Now another method is, it would have been nice if our header had a line underneath. Okay, so for that you have to use a package called fancy HDR. Now here I have written this report class must be, report class doesn't work with fancy HDR. Okay, so if you are using report class, then you cannot use fancy HDR. So for that, the other option is that you can use book class. So if you use book class, now in book class, what happens? This heading commands, these commands are not necessary. So even if I put a percentage sign here, page style headings here, percentage sign is put here, and I have not used any other headings. Okay, even then it should work. Okay, even then it should work. So so again I show, so here I have commented out page style headings because I have used book here. Okay, so let me compile it once again and see what is the effect. So I compile it, and it will take some time. Okay, so this is what, this is acknowledgement only, which of course will not have any header, as I said. But what about preface? Yes, you see preface has header. So even so, this command page style heading is by default in book style, it comes automatically whether you write it or don't write it. Okay, so, but book style has another advantage is that now you can use this fancy HDR. So for that you have to use this package with headings option. So we uncomment this one and write use package headings and fancy HDR. And now if I compile it just like this, so let us compile it uh, just like this. I compile, and you will see one small problem will be there. Just I wanted to show it. Yeah, so if you see the effect of this, see it, the preface has come all right, but this fancy HDR headings has not taken its full effect. Okay, I have written this is only for head rule, that means for a line under this header, but the line hasn't come here. This is because now this even though we are using book class, this has to be uncommented. So now page style headings must be written. So if you are using this fancy HDR heading option, then this has to be written for rule. Okay, this must be written, and then this head rule will come. So now if I compile it, okay, so because of this nomenclature package, is taking some time here. It is running twice. Yeah. So now let us see. This is yeah. Now let us see. So now you see there is a line has come, and it looks now little better. So, okay. So you see it looks little better. Contents also you see a line has come. Okay, you can see contents, a line has come. Then list of figures. So throughout the thesis you will see a line has come. So the what about other pages? So this all this thing has to be rectified because the title is too long. I'll show you how to do all this thing. And here biodata and all this thing, everything has a line header. So it is same as earlier only. Only thing is that an extra line has come, just beautifying your thesis little more. Okay. So yeah, appendix also line is there. So this is what now this tag file we cannot use any further. I have used it to its full extent. Okay. Now come to this particular tag file. This is also same thing only, but now here earlier we have used fancy HDR with headings option, but now we are going to use with its full force without any option here. Okay. And as first difference comes here, page style fancy has to be written, and here you cannot use report. As I said earlier, report doesn't go with fancy HDR, so only book. Okay. So now here if I what are the changes here? So title page, of course, no change. Acknowledgement, no page number, no header. Now preface, you have to write few things. This mark right or mark both. Okay, so here I have used mark both. Earlier I used mark right, but now I am using mark both command, and these are the extra lines you have to use. Okay, fancy. This means on the left side right mark. Right mark means preface. Okay, whatever is on the right, that is right mark. Then fancy header right side. So L means left, R means right, center there is nothing. So right side there page number, left side it should be right mark. Okay, so this is how it is to be written. And then comes what else? And then here also there is a difference. Okay, so here also you see uh, yeah. So here also in preliminaries, so these chapters can be written. I have written them using three methods. So let me first compile it, and then you will understand what is the effect. So here I have used in fancy this left mark. Here I have used something else, and here I have used something else. Okay. Okay. So let us now go to chapter uh, chapter 1. I straight away go. So here you see, because preliminary is a small word, so here I have used left mark. So if you use left mark, then whatever is the title, whether long or short, that will appear in the header with this particular command. Okay. And here what we have done in the second chapter, what we have done here, uh, we have modified a we have actually used two things. Uh, okay, okay. I show you what I have done. Uh, if you use this optional command of chapter command, optional argument, okay, commutativity degree revisited. Here, of course, I should have put a percentage sign here. So let me first put a percentage sign here. and then recompile it. Then I'll go to chapter 2. Chapter 1 will not have any problem, because chapter 1 I have not changed anything. Chapter 2, you will see this chapter 1 is preliminaries. I have so left mark preliminaries, so actual title will come. Chapter 2, what will happen? Title of the chapter is this one only, whereas heading will be that optional command. So this optional command in the chapter, whatever we have written, that has come here. Actual name is here, and in the contents also. So contents also, you see the original title has not come. This optional thing has come in the table of contents. But now, if you want no original title should appear in the table of contents, and this header should be only small. Then there is an option. Then what you can do, you don't write any optional command here in the chapter, just remove it, or even you can keep it also, because whatever comes last, that will come here. So okay, let me keep it, but let me uncomment it. So even if there is a optional command here, but this one will take effect because it has come later. So if I now compile it, so let me compile it using this, so it will be faster a bit, little faster. So okay, so now if you see, now you see this particular word has come. This commutativity degree, whatever we have written here, that has appeared in the heading, whereas in the table of contents, oh, I have this one. I think I have to come. Oh, table of contents, since I have not deleted it, it will remain here. Sorry, so I have to delete it. So table of contents will not be changing. So this has come in the table of contents. So whatever I have to do, I have to delete it here from here, and let me compile it a little faster, so that yeah, it has come. Okay. So you see the original title is here in the table of contents, but what about the header? Header is different. You see, header is this one, whatever is written here. Okay. So this type of manipulation you can do. So header is according to our choice, but the table of contents is the original title. So this is also, some people want to do like this, so that option is also there, so you can do it like this. So these are essential commands. So this chapter is chapter here, then text, length, and all this thing you have to write, and then this h space you have to write 0.4 em for this particular gap between 2 point and c, here this one. Okay, this particular gap, and after that you have to write the title in capital letter, whatever you want here. Okay, so with, if you do this one, now if you, so this is one option. The other option is this also, some people like that, they want chapter name as well as section name also in the header. So in that case, what happens, if you see the header, this thing, uh, this thing now, chapter 3, let us go to chapter 3. Yeah, chapter 3, for a change, you see the difference. Here, chapter number comes, then section number also comes, because this is section 3.2. Okay, so you see 3.2 has started from here, so that is why it is 3.2, then also 3.2. After that, this is 3.2, then 3.2. Now 3.3 has started from this page, so it has become 3.3. Can you see it? So earlier it was 3.2. You see 3.2. This is 3.2, but this page, since it is section 3.3 comes, it is section 3.3. So some people like this also. So chapter number, section number, rule. So this is also another option. So whatever you like, I have written three chapters in three different fashion, three different form. You can choose any one of them, whatever you like, and then put it, and then you can see all other things are looking like this. Then conclusion, this also another chapter. Then perhaps our appendix starts. Appendix has no problem, there is no section, so only the this thing has come. So for that, actually some additional things we have to write, that before starting the appendix, the center of the header where you have written section number has to be blank, otherwise previous section number will come here. Okay, and then this one also, left one, left mark has to be written so that it comes correctly, no overwriting or nothing like that. Then bibliography, then this one biodata. Biodata is how biodata has come. So bibliography, so index of notations, so all these things has come. Okay, so this command will take effect up to throughout, I think. Yeah. So index of concepts has come beautifully. Then biodata also has come beautifully, and then other things also. Front pages, no header, no footer, nothing. Page number, no page number also. This is the paper page number, so this is different. And so this is how, so all this page number is here. So this is how all this thing is to be written. So what I'll do, you can actually, as I said, you can download these two files from the link given in the description. I'll put the thesis preamble right here only, and other things, this body of the thesis I'll not give. This I will be deleted. You can write your own thesis body there, but I'll show you how does this thesis preamble looks like. So where is it? It is here. And then where is it? This thesis preamble. So in the thesis preamble, you see these are essential packages. Don't disturb them, otherwise all everything will not work. If you want additional packages, then you can include it here. So additional packages must be included here. I have written here, and okay, and I have used some packages which if you don't like you can remove. And then you have this thing, these are theorem style, theorem numbers, and figure, table, all these things. And this disable hyphenation and all these things are there. These are some shortcut keys. If you don't need, you can delete them. Of course you will not need, you can delete them safely, or you can rewrite your own shortcut key like this. So this thing I will keep it, and you can use them. So another thing is that this particular this particular command, particular command is written with a purpose. What is that? It is that it is here. I'll just show you in a minute. So here you see this sorry, this thing starting from the left side, and there is a big gap between the figure number and the title of the figure also, because in case you have more than 10 figures in a chapter, then it will become little bit congested. That is why this particular command has been written here, so that it looks beautiful, and it starts from the left side only. Otherwise if you don't use this command, it will start from this section level only, which looks little bit awkward, because there is no chapter here. Here it is okay because there is a chapter here, but here it looks a bit awkward to me because there is no chapter here. So I thought it is better if we start it from the left, because this nomenclature package starts it right from the left side only. Okay, and I believe the index also starts from the somewhere. Yeah, index and all these things also starts from the left side only. So keeping that in mind, we have used this one. Okay, so that's all in this video. Hope it will be useful for you. So thanks for watching.